Do not always use me too to respond to all kinds of statements. It might be grammatically incorrect. After watching this video, these are going to become a cakewalk for you. Trust me on this. Let's begin. When someone says, nice to meet you, we do not say me too. We say you too. Why? That's because it's the short for nice to meet you too. You too. We take the last two words and say you too. Next, if someone says, I love watching movies, or I love sports or fine arts, the first thing to note here is that these are all positive statements. Therefore, we have two options. So do I and me too. What's the difference? So do I is formal. Me too is informal. Next, if someone says, I do not like watching movies, or I don't like sports or fine arts, the first thing to note here is these are all, yes, negative statements. Therefore, never say me too. It's grammatically incorrect. We once again have two options. Neither do I and me neither. What's the difference? Yes, you guessed it right. Neither do I is formal. Me neither is informal. Now, what if someone says, I'm not into music? How would you respond to this? Let me know.